Hi, my name is Renata Galindo and I am a children's book author and illustrator. I've worked on textbooks, picture books, magazines, animated films, branding and advertising. My work has been published by publishing houses such as Scholastic, Macmillan and Penguin Random House. When I produce a new picture book, I start by creating a whole new universe with expressive characters. They can be brave animals, alive objects, or sweet monsters. For this, I usually go back to my own childhood and the dreams I used to have, so I can tell stories about themes and adventures that I would have liked to read as a child. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create an engaging picture book, from building a character to the final illustrations and book assembly. As a final project, you will produce a book dummy ready to be shown to publishers. To get started, we'll look at what a picture book is and what its main characteristics are. Then, I'll show you how to start your project by sketching a character and creating their world. Next, you'll learn how to create a story with a traditional 3-act structure. After that, I'll teach you how to plan your narrative, playing with images and words, and making a storyboard. I will then explain some tools to build a visual story and how to make a mini dummy. Once we're happy with our narrative's flow and rhythm, we'll move on to the final illustrations using Photoshop. I'll then show you how to create an interesting cover, assemble the picture book dummy, add the text and export it for printing. By the end of this course, you will understand how to structure, illustrate and design a picture book to tell a unique story. For this course, it's important to have some drawing experience and basic knowledge of Photoshop. You'll need a computer with Photoshop and InDesign or any other layout design software you feel comfortable with. This course is ideal for anyone interested in children's narrative and illustration. Learn to create new universes, expressive characters, and a whole story full of illustrations for picture books.
Just be with me.